We have 15 seconds. I'm about to just smoke out there. Give us a clear place to run to him.
Yeah, there he is. He's behind the rock.
Which side? Oh, I see him now.
Right side. Got a hit on him.
I'm gonna swing it around left. He's moving left. Hit. Dead.
Got him.
Let's go. Doesn't matter. In fact, I feel like it would be easier to get inside of one of the other ones because you have momentum running it that direction.
Okay, yeah.
2 shotguns on this roof. Nothing long range though,
Right, yeah.
that I can see. Do you have a gun?
Yep.
Alright, we only have shotguns. 2 people down here. We might be able to take them out with shotguns. Who knocked one out? Super far. Hit him.
Are they down there?
Yeah, they're still just running around.
What side?
Right over here, west. Oh shit. I'm like 1 hit from dying. Let's get in a building. We have shotguns. Do you want to go in this building with me?
Yeah.
Ooh, I just got hit.
They were west.
These all have been cleared out, but they might still be in here. Oh, they are. Oi.
Alright, let's worry about his boy next. Hey, where's your boy at? God, dude, why'd you kill him?
Does he have a gun I can have?
He's a level 3. Oh, yeah. That's that. Just have to run straight now. This sucks. There's a rock up here.
Oh, there's 2
15
people
meters.
crawling. Look, 15 in the field. Just crawling. In the open.
You gonna get him?
Yeah, fuck yeah. Hit. Knocked out.
Getting shot at. Getting shot at from up the hill.
His friend is to the left in one of the bushes, so be careful. Oh, you see him now? He's running across the field. Dead.
Took a bunch of shots at him, but I missed. Also, there's people to the north, about 15.
There's somebody else taking him out. The Mini 15 killed him. I'm going to try to come to the circle now. And there's also people behind us still.
15, I'm fighting somebody right now.
There's people running right behind us, like right now, in the open. Hit. Dead.
Nice. 15, dude.
15. Where are they?
He's running out. He's running out into the field.